mom's gonna kill me. I know she hates how much I curse in these videos. Hello guys, so today, well, it's afternoon. Good afternoon guys. So today, I just wanted to kind of vlog a little bit and turn the light off in the bathroom and just like, I don't know, do something a little different. So basically, also I look a little rough, sorry, setting the edges, you know how it be. So basically, for the past like couple of weeks, almost a month, like I haven't been feeling the best mentally, and y'all know how that be, like without getting into too much details, like I just haven't been feeling my best. And then because I haven't been feeling the best, I haven't been doing the best mentally, I kind of been like slacking with my physical appearance, and then in turn, because I'm slacking on my physical appearance, it's making my mental health a little bit worse. So today I'm gonna take the day to do some stuff to make myself feel better. Kind of like retail therapy, but kind of not. So yeah, it's like been a nice couple of weeks since, I don't know, I've even like attempted to put effort into my looks. So I'm gonna put some makeup on, I'm gonna put some nice clothes on, and yeah, I'm gonna get my nose pierced because I've been wanting to get my nose pierced for the longest time, but I keep saying, oh, I don't want to spend the money, da 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 da. But I'm never gonna spend the money, and it's literally like $50. So just gonna do it, you know? We're just gonna do it. It's a little impulsive. It might not be that financially smart, but fuck it. I'm gonna do it. And I'm gonna get a pedicure because my toes look so fucking busted, and that's like not good either, because it's like I want to put on it. Sometimes I'll be like, oh yeah, let me put on this cute outfit. But then the cute outfit requires sandals and my toes aren't done. So then I end up wearing like loungy ass clothes and some sneakers. But anyway, that's what I thought I would do today, and I would bring you guys along with me. And yeah, doing a bunch of stuff to make myself feel better. So it's lit. I got the edges sitting right now. I'm about to go do my makeup. I'm not even gonna do anything like out there, just something super simple because I just want to. And I did my nails last night. And hopefully this set lasts. I've been like doing my own nails for a little bit and they kind of been popping off, but I did something different. Like I changed the technique. So hopefully this set lasts. I just did red. They're real cute. One nail is shorter than the other, and I noticed, but I don't think anyone else would notice. So, yep, I'm gonna go do my makeup. I think I'm gonna do like a little brown smoky eye kind of thing. And then I will hit you guys back up when I'm getting. Oh, hi, I'm back. The face is beat, okay? I just did like I said, a simple smoky eye, lashes, simple face makeup. Y'all, the NYX tinted veil has been doing, that video should be up soon. It should be up already, actually. I love it so much. It's been getting me hella right. Should I get my toes done first, and so that I can be walking around with the slides comfortably, or should I get my nose pierced first, then get my toes done, so that I'm not walking around messing up my chances of my toes still being wet? You know what I mean? I feel like I should get my toes done first. Usually, I only get a, let me put lotion on my feet, which is so dumb because they're gonna put it in some water again. Usually, I only get my toes painted. Like, I don't really like the whole pedicure thing, but my feet are so fucking busted that not getting it would be a sin. Like, it's so bad. Like, my toes need more than just to be painted. Yeah, they're really bad. Because, like I said, I haven't really been taking care of myself. So, they look terrible. They're really long, which is gross, but it's great because the shape will be perfect. I don't mind putting acrylic on my toes. It's just an expense I'd rather not deal with. So that's what's going on. I have so much homework to do. Oh my god. Because basically, normally I would spread out the 3 days to do homework, which usually just turned into me doing most of it on Sunday because I spent my Friday and Saturday chilling. But I'm going back home on Sunday, so, and everything's due on Sunday, so I have to finish everything today and tomorrow in order to go and enjoy myself. I should vlog that too. Basically, my friend's birthday is on Monday, my best friend's birthday. Her birthday is on Monday, so I'm gonna go see her and hang out with her. Haven't seen her in a while, so I just vlog that too. But yeah, I'm gonna put some slides on, and slides don't even go with this outfit. It's fucking pissing me off. But I'm gonna put some slides on, and we can head out the door. What am I missing? What the fuck am I looking for? Earrings, but I don't feel like putting that shit on. Okay, let's bounce. Let's get out the house. All right, I did it. I did that shit. Oh my god. It fucking hurt, but it was honestly a lot better than the daith piercing. I think I vlogged when I got that removed. But I did it and it's cute. I wanted to get a hoop, but it was gonna be extra. Bitch. I got copyrighted for those 2 seconds. But anyway, I wanted to get a hoop, but it was gonna be an extra $20, and I'm already being financially irresponsible by getting this shit in the first place, and I didn't account for spending an extra $20. So I'm just gonna change it. I'm just gonna, get a hoop or whatever. Then when it heals, and I have the $20 to spare. So yeah, I'm really excited. It's so little, but like I just feel so cute, and that was the whole purpose of me getting it, is that I haven't been feeling cute lately and I want to feel cute. So it's cute. He said he put it low enough for a hoop, and he says an 18 gauge. I should probably write that down somewhere. Anyway, okay, that's pretty much it. I've done everything I wanted to do now to make myself feel cute. I could probably use a wig or something instead of this, but whatever. I am getting a new wig for my birthday, which is next month. Oh my god, I'm so excited, y'all. I'm turning 21. I'm so excited. I have like the best birthday weekend planned or whatever. But yeah, and I'm doing a whole new wig for my birthday, so I cannot justify spending money to get a wig right now. But I'm gonna go to Walmart, and then we're gonna go home. I forgot to bring my book, so I can go to the library, but yeah. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Morning, guys. So, it's 8:52. Oh my god, I look rough. Do y'all see these? It's supposed to be braids, and you can't even see the definition anymore because 1, I'm not a good braider, and 2, they've been in for like close to 3 weeks now. So all the new growth, hopefully new growth, is covering up. So perhaps I should wash my hair today, but I just wanted to check in. I didn't end up vlogging last night because everything just kind of went to shit, and yeah, we're not going to focus on the negative. We're just going to move on. So I'm going to the gym. I'm going to do like maybe an hour or so cardio. I haven't been doing weightlifting lately because I cannot do any for like another month or so. I'm piling around stuff, and yeah, about really facing some insecurities coming on here, ugly as fuck. Let me throw a hat on, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm not gonna take you because there ain't nothing to see, you know? You feel? Alright, hello guys. So, I started this whole vlog off basically with the premise of it being that I was taking care of myself after, kind of like I don't want to say depressive break, but like, that kind of thing. And I realized that I forgot to do something yesterday, and that was that I need to take care of my hair, because it's usually what suffers the most when I am not doing well mentally. For instance, you guys saw that I was wearing a headscarf. I've been wearing the headscarf for like coming on a month now, y'all. And I haven't been moisturizing my hair or anything underneath it. Like, I haven't touched my hair, guys. I washed it nearly a month ago, braided it down, and haven't touched it since then. I think I've moisturized it maybe twice since doing that, and I think twice is being generous because I can only vividly remember me doing it once. So yeah, my hair is definitely what suffers the most when I'm not doing well, and it doesn't help that I also have like a love-hate relationship with my hair. So yeah, I need to take care of this to feel like I'm fully getting back on my feet. This doesn't look too bad, y'all. If it wasn't so stinky, I would wear this. But it's terrible. It smells terrible. But I'm going to try and emulate this today, I guess, as I do my hair. So I'm going to wash my hair. Hello guys, good morning. It is Sunday. I am completely ready for the day. My braid out came out hella fire. Don't know what's going on with my hair today, but it's cooperating and I'm grateful. So I'm ready for the day. I finished like almost all of my homework. I have like a few replies for discussion posts, but I'm just gonna do them tonight because I just can't look at a computer screen any longer. So that's it. I just wanted to check in and say good morning to you guys, and I'm about to head out the door and drive an hour and a half to go see my friends. So let's go. I'm vlogging. Don't look at me. Hey. So I made it to Palm Coast. I don't think I ever updated you guys. And then I'm at Abu Asia, you know, that beautiful beach. And my mom's gonna kill me. I know she hates how much I curse in these videos. Alright, and we went to get food. Now we're in Kohl's just walking around because Asia said she wants shoes, but she's been looking at sunglasses for the past 10 minutes. But she said she came in here for shoes. I'm not getting any shoes. Hello. Whoa! Whoa, wait a minute. You have to edit that out. I know. Wow, you look so cute. Hi. Oh. Hi. If you don't know, that was the girl that was in the video, the comments of one of my last videos. Someone called me ugly in the comments, and you really think you're slick, but like, look at me now, like, that's good. Yeah, who's really ugly now? Yeah, like, no, this is my video now. This is my video now. I'm gonna take over this vlog. I don't want to take it over. I don't want that. She's a trip, y'all. What I was saying is that there was a video, the cleaning video, and my underwear was showing, so men were being fucking men, disgusting, in my comments, saying all kinds of stuff. And she was, somebody, your name. He said,
bitch, you're named after a continent. I don't want to hear anything from you. And I was like, at least he knows what a continent is. Like, I can't call you dumb, but like...
But that was just so funny because that wasn't a good comeback.
No, it wasn't. I'm like, baby boy, if you're watching this, I really want you to come up with something.
He's not watching because my ass nut's gonna be in it. He's gonna see all the headshots and be like, fuck it, I don't wanna watch this shit.
You're like, shit. I don't think I look the same in that picture.
I don't remember which picture it is.
No, in the picture in my thingy.
He called you ugly for real?
Yeah.
Huh. Meanwhile, he had no photos, so no room to talk.
Okay. I mean, I'm a little ugly.
Girl.
I'm a little ugly here and there. But that's okay. I like it.
First thing in the morning, the bonnet slipped off. That kind of ugly. Did you find the shoes you were looking for?
I don't like any of these ugly shoes. Everything is just real ugly today.
What's next? What now? This music is real loud. I'm gonna get copyrighted. It's very Tumblr 2014, and I love it. Y'all, I'm being a very bad vlogger, but we're just doing the same shit. We're literally just walking in stores, picking up stuff that we're not gonna buy. What about those? Yeah.
Damn! Hold on, I can't. Squidward.
That's so loud. Okay, that's all we're doing, guys. There's nothing really to say here. I'm coming to you very shiny early in the morning, but it's the next day, obviously, and I just wanted to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Come chat with me down below in the comments, and until next time, spread love, be kind. Bye.